Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Now before showing you guys the new desk setup tour I have, I need to clarify a few things. It's nowhere close to the dream desk setup I wanted, but it's a beginning. We are still improving on it, and hopefully within a few months we are going to show you guys a new desk setup tour which could be actually the dream desk setup tour. I just wanted to show the growth. I just wanted to show you guys what equipments I use as of now to create what I do create. My name is Arindam and I am a photographer and cinematographer based in Mumbai. I promise you, if you are in a journey of content creation, this desk setup tour is going to help you out, especially to all the Desi friends of mine, because it's extremely hard to find few of the best products of IKEA and other brands in India. So without wasting much of your time, let's start with the desk setup tour. For the whole setup, I'm using a matte black standing desk. Standing desk because I do have neck and lower back pain, which actually creates a lot of problem for me while I have long working hours. It's a green sole standing desk measuring 160 centimeters to 60 centimeters. And also one good thing is that it's a curved table, so it becomes very comfortable for me to note things down or just be more involved with my whole setup. Till now I have been loving this desk and wish to use it long way in future as well. My monitor is powered by a CPU which has 32 GB RAM XPG. The CPU cabinet is from Ant Esports, which is quite widely used by gamers nowadays. It's a 64-bit operating system with an AMD Ryzen 5 5600G graphic card. It quite helps me to run my DaVinci Resolve and other things related to graphic, photo editing and video editing softwares in my computer without any hesitation or lag. But I do sometimes wonder that the amount of speed it should give, it's not giving me exactly that. The rest of my team actually uses Mac and I have seen them facing no issues at all. For mouse, I am using a Lenovo mouse. It's a very basic minimalist mouse. It just does the job. Looks quite small and sleek on my table. For headphone, I am using a very basic and affordable headphone which is from Bolt. It has a very sleek design, kind of reminds me of Sennheiser's headphones. You can use it wirelessly as well from Bluetooth, but I usually tend to connect an aux cable. When it comes to video editing or anything, even a small lag could make a huge difference. The aux cable is connected to the audio interface. For audio input, I use the classic Shure SM7B. Nowadays it's been used by almost every other creator. It's an absolute great mic. The only problem which I face with this mic is that it has very low gains, due to which I have to increase the gain of the audio interface to its max, and even after that, like, the audio gain is quite less while I take the audio to the edits or so. But one really good thing about this mic is it creates such good crisp quality audio that you can edit it later on and you can increase the gain in the edits as well, and you would find no noise at all. It cancels all the noise, and I just love the output of this mic. It gives me perfect bass for my voice, and the voice you're hearing right now is of course from Shure SM7B. It is connected with an XLR mic and again goes to the audio interface, which is from Audio Array. It's a replacement of Scarlett audio interface, which is usually available abroad, but it's a very good alternative for Indians to use. For the mic stand, I use a Fifine mic stand. I got it in somewhere around 4000 INR. It's a very heavy duty mic and it conceals the wire. It hides the wire very nicely, which helps me to make my setup look quite aesthetically clean. Whenever I feel like I don't have to work anything with regarding the audio, whether it's input or output, I move the whole setup sideways, out of sight, out of mind. For keyboard, I use a Ninja Dog Varna Pro mechanical keyboard. It has a very satisfying typing sound and it is actually quite satisfying to type on it as well. It's actually quite great for long typing sessions and to create long contracts and invoices and quotations, which I usually give to my clients. I make art with the help of a graphic tablet, which is usually placed on my table always. I usually keep the graphic pen in a pen stand and use it whenever I want to. The graphic tablet I use is Wake A30 and I've been using it from last 3 years. I'm quite comfortable with this graphic tablet. In fact, a lot of things which you guys are seeing on my table right now, I've been using it from years now. I'm quite hesitant to upgrade to a new technology until and unless it's quite necessary, because you need to get comfortable with the new technology all over again. I do also have an iPad Air on my table, which has not much use except changing songs in Spotify, which usually plays on my Marshall kept behind me, and to control the lights in my office. For lighting my whole setup, I use a Hiffen 250-watt light, which comes in white color and looks absolutely amazing. It has variable white balance as well. It is attached to a small 35 centimeter softbox with a grid to avoid spill. As of now, I've been using an Android phone, which is a Nothing Phone 2A. I have been using iPhone from last 5 years. I recently shifted to this phone 1 month back and I absolutely love it. I am so glad to see that Android has come so far and it is going toe to toe with an Apple phone. It has an absolute amazing display. In fact, I have compared it to an iPhone display and it actually performs way better. It does have glyphs though, which is an amazing conversation starter. This desk setup is a part of my office and my whole office is automated and has smart lights, which is controlled by Alexa. To design my whole setup, I have also used few of the printouts I have downloaded from Pinterest. It shows few of the dismantled retro cameras. It is just a signature for me to remind myself of what I do. I have pasted all these things using Velcro because I don't really like drilling holes on the walls, and usually things are not really as permanent as you always want them to be, right? So I can maybe in future change the overall setup or move it around or so. For the monitor, I'm using a BenQ monitor, which is a color correct monitor specially made for creators. I also do have a basic monitor stand, which actually elevates my monitor. Till now, I haven't faced any problem with it. It does get dusty after a while. With regular cleaning, it looks as good as new. There are small personalized things which I've also added to my setup, like a Ratan made desk lamp, scented candles, a small jade plant. I drink a lot of coffee, so a coaster by a company named Wari, which I really love. They also do sell rugs. So guys, this was all about my desk setup and I hope you guys liked it. See you guys in the next one. So guys, this was my desk setup tour. I hope you guys liked it. And if not, please drop your comments on what aspects I can actually improve. I would really like some feedback from your end. So thank you for watching this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.